I'm I'm yes, yes.
Fury, are you here?
Can I
Fury.
have your ID?
Fury,
Yeah.
come with me. Come with me. Don't leave me, okay? Come.
Where do I get back then?
From
Hello,
your
Bro, is
Mr.
this
department.
the time
Negotiate.
to check
Okay.
IDs?
Do it
Are
Only
you
fast.
out
one
of your
minute. Only
mind?
one minute.
Do
Yes,
it
yeah, we have to
fast.
do it because we have to do
NG,
it
come here.
with
NG,
IDs
come here.
because I
NG.
have to
Okay,
give them money,
go back,
bro.
guys, go back. Come back.
Yeah, can I have?
Don't leave me alone, okay? Don't leave me alone.
Yes. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, come near me. Come near me. I'm gonna pay that. Okay. Okay, Marco, listen to me.
Yes,
Would you
yes.
like to leave them at the same time, or will you leave them again one by one?
One by one.
What will you do?
One by one.
Wait a
All
minute.
right. So I will give you
First
like
of
195k?
195k. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just
Okay, bring
bring
one
the
hostage.
first one.
Bring one hostage.
Uh,
Code
Guys,
B,
guys, guys.
Wait,
Code
wait.
B.
Code B,
Code B.
Code
Code
B,
B.
Code
Code B.
B.
Code B. Code
bring
B.
one
Wait,
hostage.
code B.
he's
For
saying
what? For
that
what?
don't block the road.
Wait. Stay with the Fuji. Let me see situation. Stay
Oh,
with the
it's cool.
Fuji. Stay with the Fury.
Open the
What?
door
What?
and bring just one hostage, guys. What are you doing?
You
Listen,
can't be
who is
attending the
in the
architecture.
mute? Listen, who is in mute? He is not doing the conversation. Okay. So other guy, please do a conversation.
Okay. Okay. Guys,
All
okay.
right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mr.
NG, come here.
Fury,
NG,
for
NG, come
helping
here.
Yeah.
us.
And please
Let's resume the
remove
arbitration.
your please remove your barricade like a proper, you know, because it's blocking the road. Yeah.
Yeah, let's resume the situation. Yeah, so Mr. Just turn
Can you
around.
tell
I'll
me?
I'll be giving you money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, take car and
Hey, look,
Fuzi, BB is calling you in.
What is
Funny, don't get funny, don't get funny.
Come here.
Tanjiro, come here.
Look,
And Stacy, come here, come
look.
here.
bro,
Hey,
that's
hey,
your
hey,
fault,
hey.
bro.
Hey
That's your
guys,
fault.
what are
That's
you
your
doing?
fault.
Just stand here.
That's your fault.
Hey, come here. Come here.
I have all body cam.
Hey, why you are safe? Why
All-
you are
all
safe?
body cam.
Call
No
wizard.
Call
Let's
wizard,
Knife
call
drop,
wizard.
knife, knife.
No worry.
Call
Call
wizard.
No worry.
Call wizard right now. Wait.
Bro,
I
wizard
tell
is
him
here,
how he's
bro.
safe. Wait.
Call Fury.
Yeah,
Call. Listen.
yeah.
Bro, you
Listen.
can't
Call a
give me
friend.
fucking
Call a
demand,
Yeah.
bro. Are you stupid or what, bro, bitch?
Wait. Why
Guys,
he's
arrest him.
running?
Arrest
He's
him.
here.
He
He
has
don't
illegal
care about
item.
his life. He don't care about his life.
Bro, this
Huh?
is fucking red zone, bro. Are you dumb or what, bro?
Come. Hey, tell him come.
Arrest
I
him.
will
What?
call him. Wait.
Call
Just
him,
wait. Just
man.
wait.
You guys, kill that
Just
guy and
wait.
arrest him. What are you doing? He has
Bro,
illegal armor and all the things I use.
just wait. Now just wait.
Your voice, come near me. Come, let's pass the money and let's over the situation. Guys,
No.
what are you doing? Let's
He
over the
runs.
situation. Come near me.
Guys, Kai. This car is for
Oh,
hostage,
that's
okay?
good. That's good,
Kai,
Narcos. That's
this
good,
car is for
Narcos. That's
hostage.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Car is
That's
yeah,
for
good. I
hostage.
will tell you. That's good.
yeah. Okay.
Come with me. Fuji, come with me. Fuji.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
coming with you.
So the thing is,
I'm
I'll
coming
give
with
you
you.
95k for that second one. Okay. So good. What are you doing?
Bro, what the fuck?
Go
Why
back
are you
to your area.
negotiating now? You take my money and then you give them less or what? What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Bro,
Hey,
invite
hey.
me,
You
family.
Yeah,
take my
yeah.
money and then you give them
Puya,
less than you. What the fuck?
Family.
Bro, you will get it from state.
Puya.
You will
I'll
get
do
it
it.
from
Do it.
state.
Wait.
LSPD, you will get it
Don't
Are
from
you,
our
are you
leader.
from?
Give this. Wait. Just call visual.
Everyone call wizard.
Bro, give me air ammo. I'll support you.
He's Chief Norman.
guys.
He's
Yeah,
Chief
come.
Norman.
Yeah. Come near me. Come near me. I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna pay.
Guys,
Come.
guys, don't
No,
block.
code,
Okay, are you
because
ready to
I will
take?
take the hostage.
Code B,
Don't
code
block
B,
the
code B.
people.
Wait,
Okay.
Wizard is coming. Code B.
Bro, where is Wizard? They are just wasting time. Come. How could be? Kai, continue the negotiation.
No. They are.
Hey,
They
don't
want to
move.
code me. Just
bro,
second me.
move.
Bro, wait. Don't.
Farhan is
Just
sleeping.
aim on
He's
him.
sleeping. What is this? Hey, what is this, Marco? We don't
sleep,
listen
just
to
aim on him.
this.
Just aim on him. Just
I'm
aim
not
on him.
sleeping, bro. You're just
Snipe,
putting
snipe.
me like
Let me,
in sleep.
guys, let me take the hostage first. Move aside.
We should resume or it's code B.
Just wait.
It's not code B yet because talking host. Yeah, I can't see any admin tag here, so it's
Oh,
not
sorry,
code B.
sorry.
Okay.
Bro, it's
So
code
we are
B.
just
Okay,
reviewing
leave
the
the situation
situation.
in 5 seconds. 5, 4,
Bro, I want to join my family.
4.
Bro, I'm leaving.
Okay, Marco, listen to me.
No,
Listen to me.
bro, no. Our unit aim him and he run. Nice. No,
It's not code
No
B.
one-
Listen
no
to
one-
me. I'm telling
no
you
one-
one
no
last
one
time.
will.
It's
Wait,
not
wait.
code B right now.
no.
We
I will.
listen to me. Talking host. See, we can't do any kind of admin tag here, so it's not code B. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you
No,
also.
bro, I'm tagging.
Speaking
No.
OC, your like we can call Wizard. They can decide what we can do because your officer don't care about his life and he's run on your
But-
side.
And
Why?
go to
How?
Gov side. Go to Gov side.
But
Gov
So
side.
we
this
are
is
listen
control.
to
just
me.
wait. Just wait.
Okay, wait, guys. Wait. Chill, guys. Listen to
Bro.
me. It's not code B yet because I talking host. I can't see any kind of admin tag here. Is it clear?
So wait. Just wait. We are calling whenever.
Yeah,
he comes.
Bro,
yeah.
when
So
he will
just
come,
be
then you
in the
do code
RP
B.
situations. I'm telling you that.
No,
Be in the
wait a
RP
second.
situation.
Last
It's
warning.
not code B yet. So be in the RP situation, everybody. It's not code B yet.
And guys, clear the way. Let the hostage come. I will take the hostage and move, and then you guys fight.
Okay,
Yes.
leave him. Alexander,
You
leave
guys
him.
continue
Alexander,
whatever you
leave
want
him.
to do.
Leave him. No worry. By the way, guys, see you on Gov.
Okay.
Okay.
LSPD take cover.
Okay,
take cover.
leave
LSPD.
him. Leave him. And point gun.
So I'm leaving him.
Point
Right.
gun.
Point.
Yeah.
Farhan says-
I'm not
Give me
going
money
Farhan
in my
in.
says-
back pocket. Give me money in
Hey,
my
look,
back.
look.
What?
He's
look,
told me to
Farhan,
sit.
Hey.
Oh,
What?
nice.
Let them tell you. Let them tell. Come out.
Nice.
Farhan, move.
What?
Come back.
Farhan, move. Let
Come
them
back,
tell you
come
when
back,
to
come
move.
back.
What the fuck?
Farhan,
You
we
are
have
telling me.
appointed.
Nice.
I thought you given me money. What the fuck? Bro, I thought they give you money for my life, so that's why I was sitting.
Bro, call fast.
Are you dumb?
For money.
No, are you dumb?
Then- I don't know, bro. Like they told me to
Who
sit,
said?
so
Who
that's
said
why
go
I-
outside?
Durrani just shut up. Durrani just.
No, I'm sorry for that.
Just put your hands
I
up.
didn't see that. I didn't see.
Don't do anything.
Yes?
Just put your hands up.
Give me money. Hello,
Just shut
Mr.
up. Just put your
Negotiator.
hands up.
Kai, give the money and let's leave.
Hello.
Gaurav,
They want to.
Gaurav.
Yeah.
Marco, can I ask you one thing?
Give me money. Give me
I'm
money.
taking
No
your
worry.
hostage.
I am see you and Gob. No worry.
Just change it.
Yeah,
Give me
yeah.
money.
Yeah. Okay. So you want to continue the RP, right?
Yeah. See you and Gob. No worry.
Yeah, I'm passing the money to you. Just leave the hostage when as soon as you get the money.
Mikey,
Okay.
move.
Guys, come near me. I'm gonna pass the money. What are you doing? Come near me, Mikey, Ron.
Mikey, go.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna pass the.
Bro, easy go.
What the
Lol.
fuck?
Wait, let me see who is shooting.
Bro, money. Give me
Hey,
money.
check. Hey, you got money? What
Fast,
the fuck?
fast. Give me money. Hello, Fury. Stay with me. Give me money. Hello. Give me money. Fast.
What the fuck? Let's
me
let's him
money.
patch.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it?
You can
Okay, is
go.
it? Hey guys, fuck them.
Ivan, go! Ivan, go! Move!